Yep, that's the Poweregg, and I'm out at a beach and I'm going to take it for a flight. Nothing special, just because a lot of people have been asking to see the Poweregg again in a video, so I'll take it out, fly it around the beach here and see how it goes. So let's check out the 4K video from the Poweregg. All right, let's start it up. Get the little motors spinning. They slowly get up to speed, and now we'll take it up and see the legs pop up automatically. Here we go. Look at all the sand flying. There we go. Okay, one thing I've noticed about the drone, besides it being very loud, is that you have difficulty figuring out the direction to which way it's flying. And these little antennas, if you are not getting a direct line of sight, your video to your screen gets kind of like stuttery, and then you kind of lose where you are. And you can almost fly into a tree, especially if you're heading at a tree, and it gets kind of stuttery. So that's what I'm noticing so far. Other than that, it seems to fly okay. It's got lots of power. Okay, I don't know if my GoPro can pick this up, but way over there is the Poweregg. I don't know if I can zoom into it. I'm pretty far away from it and I can still hear it. It's a pretty loud drone. Coming down. Houston, the egg has landed. Yes, so that was pretty cool. Flew around, took some video. I have no idea what the video looks like. You've seen it, so you can tell me, is it anything cool? That was 4K, 30 frames per second. If you lose orientation, there's a little button on your controller. You just hit that and it makes the camera go forward, so you always know which way you're moving forward and backwards, because you can have your camera facing one way and you're flying a different direction because of the way the gimbal works, and it can become kind of confusing at times. My maps, for some reason, did not work again. I had them working before and then now they wouldn't work, but I wasn't going to play around with that, so I just left it as it is. It is really noisy. This is a beach, and no matter where I flew, I would never lose this drone because it sounds like somebody mowing their lawn in the air. It's just all over the place with the noise. And I'm sure anybody who was wandering around the beach was like, what the heck was that? So this is the type of drone you would take someplace where you don't want to annoy people. The other thing is, make sure you have a lot of power in your battery. I would never trust this drone to fly way out over water and then try to come back when I have just a little bit of power left, because the power really drops off at the tail end. So you have to be very mindful of that. Other than that, hey, it's very inexpensive, and I see that it's on sale again. Hopefully by the time you're watching this video, it's on sale again. Mine was like super inexpensive. And I'm going to put links below. Even on Amazon, they're on sale. So check it out. Hopefully they're still on sale when you're watching this, and pick one up for yourself, because you get a lot of technology for the price. All right, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next video.